we are on the step here where we're 10, so we have 2 more steps to go, but once this step is done, you are smooth sailing into your editing and revising. Conclusion, the end, wrap it up. So let's get this wrapped up, shall we? Let's take a look at this. So you just watched the video on some conclusions. Now, conclusions need to remind the reader what was so important. In the end, you have to really make this strong and punchy because you are trying to change my mind, okay? And to do that, remember you're looking at standard 4.1D, and you're trying to provide a concluding statement, a section that relates or is related to the opinion that you present. Your opinion that you present is part of that thesis paragraph. And that's why I have this in here, is because you need to remember what it is that you are trying to prove to me. In my situation here, I am trying to prove to you that ice cream is great, is the best, okay? So then I have 3 reasons why. So again, my thesis paragraph tells me what my statement is, what is my opinion, and why. 3 reasons why. Let's look at that thesis paragraph. Ice cream is the best. The most important reason is there are many flavors of ice cream. The next reason is, there should be the word is there. I should go in and change that. And again, remember, if you're going to do that, you can put that there. Right here is where you would change that. Is put in those transitions, and it will make everything so much easier for you. Trying to get back here. Alright, so as you noticed, I changed it. The most important reason is, there are many. The most important reasons are, or is, put those transitions in there. We can change that a little bit later. Okay, so now that you're looking at this and you're like, okay, so I have my transition phrases and they're done. What all do I need to wrap it up? I need to transition. Again, now that I'm at the end of my essay, I have to transition to tell the reader, hey, you're at the end. So these transition phrases, they're just some, not all. You could look up some other ones to be able to transition differently if you so choose, but these are some really nice ones that you could possibly use. Pick one of them. And then you should tell me, why should I change my mind? Okay? Doing this is going to then change, you're going to rephrase your thesis paragraph, which is incredibly important. So you're probably asking yourself, well, Mrs. Nelson, how do I rephrase my thesis paragraph? Well, you need to, again, tell me what you believe, and why do you believe it? Remind me, again, what it is so important about this topic that I need to change my mind. Because of the fact that no argument was ever won with cause. You need to explain yourself. So, you have your transition phrase, and now you need to rephrase that thesis. So you need to come up here and rephrase that thesis. So, in summary, my thoughts about ice cream are about how wonderful ice cream is. and how you need to love ice cream as well. Because of the following reasons. Like, you can pick from many different flavors, and you can pick so many different toppings. Now, I'm not using the same words that I was using up here. I'm using it slightly different, but you still get the general picture of it. And last, you can buy ice cream just about anywhere. Anywhere you go. Period. Alright, so then, if you're looking at this, you can see that it has filled in for you automatically and there's your summary. In summary, my thoughts about ice cream are about how wonderful ice cream is and how you need to love ice cream as well because of the following reasons. Like, you can pick from many different flavors. Again, this will need to be edited and revised to make it sound smoother, but at least you have a good direction for a conclusion. In your conclusion, you will need to have some transition paragraphs. I'm going to kind of leave that and see if you can figure out how to transition between your thoughts. Again, remember, you have your reasons, so make sure you're kind of transitioning there. You need a few transition phrases. You have one, which is in summary, but then I added following reasons like. Last, you need transitions. Transition between your reasons. Okay? So I kind of am leaving that to your discretion because I've taught that and you should be able to transition. Okay. If you have questions on this, let me know. But your conclusion means that you're at your last paragraph. So you have written your 5 paragraphs. You've written your introduction, your 3 reasons, your introduction, your thesis, your 3 reasons, and your conclusion. So you should have about 6 different paragraphs in this entire opinion. Okay? So now we're on to our rough draft to take a look at that, to see what do we got. All right, meet me on the next worksheet and we will go. You'll be on step number 11. Awesome possum. See you later.